Hi, this is Anil. Let us try to understand a simple lab activity. In a beaker, I am taking a sodium hydroxide solution to which I am going to add a phenolphthalein indicator. Then the solution turns to pink color. Here, the solution is turns to pink color, indicating that sodium hydroxide solution is basic in nature. When I start adding dilute hydrochloric acid to this solution, slowly the pink color start disappearing and the solution becomes colorless, which clearly indicates that here in the solution is purely acidic. That clearly indicates hydrochloric acid is present in the solution. Then the question rises, what happens to the sodium hydroxide? That we are going to learn in this class. See, whenever hydrochloric acid is added to this sodium hydroxide solution, the hydrochloric acid is neutralizing or nullifying the sodium hydroxide character. That is a basic character of sodium hydroxide is nullified by the hydrochloric acid. Here there is a reaction is happening between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. When sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, it is going to form sodium chloride and water. In other words, I can write as when base react with acid, it is going to form salt and water. The reaction in which acid react with the base to form salt and water is called as a neutralization reaction. So, I can say that whenever hydrochloric acid is added to this sodium hydroxide solution, this hydrochloric acid is nullifying the basic character of sodium hydroxide. That means the acid is reacting with the base and forming salt and water. This reaction between acid and base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Now let us try to apply this concept to another simple lab activity. In a watch glass, I am taking a copper oxide. We know that the formula of copper oxide is CuO. Here copper is a metal, so I am taking a metal oxide. To this metal oxide, that is copper oxide, when I add dilute hydrochloric acid, slowly the solution turns to bluish green color. The solution turns to bluish green color, which clearly indicates the formation of copper chloride. From this, I can say that whenever copper oxide is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid, it is forming a bluish green color substance, that is copper chloride. In equation form, I can write as CuO plus HCl gives CuCl2 plus H2O. We already know copper chloride is a salt and H2O means water. Here hydrochloric acid is an acid and copper oxide is a metal oxide. I can say that when metal oxide react with acid, it is forming salt and water. When I compare these two equations, here base, instead of base I am taking metal oxide. Both are the acids the same. Here they are forming salt and water. From these two cases, I can clearly say that metal oxides are acting as a basis. Metal oxides are acting as a basis. From this activity, we can say that metal oxides are acting as a basis. Thank you.